Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Tremble effect on your videos or sound files using the CapCut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the CapCut app, then go and tap on your video or sound file and go to voice effects. And when you open up the voice effects section, you will find the Tremble effect at the end of the list. It is the fourth option from the right. But first, I'm just going to show you the original file, how it sounds, and then the effect. This is voice test number 1. This is my voice, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the original file, and this is the Tremble effect. This is voice test number 1. This is my voice, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's pretty much it, how you can use these voice effects. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.